friends, I am Vijay. This is my next video. This video is about how to become Amazon seller for beginners, lecture 9. Already I put 8 lectures. If you didn't watch that video, I give you the playlist link in description. You click that video and watch that, and you come to this video. Then only you can understand how it works. Okay guys, let's enter into the topic. Let's get started. Okay guys, in this video we are going to see about product hunting methods. First method is manual hunting. I already put the video in my third lecture. And then second method is store sniping. And third method is product research tool. Okay, in this video we are going to see about store sniping method. Let's see how it works. Yes, first, what is store sniping? Store sniping is a method to choose the product from other sellers listing. That is called as store sniping. Okay guys, let's see some example. Okay guys, let's see this example. First, you choose this fulfilled by Amazon. I choose just for example, but you have to choose 1 year and above sales. This is a seller name who sells this product in a first place. I choose this seller name. This is his seller account and these are the product he listed. I choose one product from here. Yeah, we can choose like this that seller name. Seller names, go inside the seller name first and choose the product from that listing. And okay, I choose the product from that seller listing and copy this ASIN. Copy this ASIN and paste it in seller account. And like that you have to list as me too. I already put that me too listing in my 4th lecture. You watch that video and you continue with this listing. Okay guys, let's end this. Okay guys, in today's video we see store sniping and how it works. This is a method you have to hunt more products like other sellers. You have to go and choose the product from any of the sellers like this method and list as me too. Okay guys, if you like the video, click that like button and subscribe my channel for more updates. Okay guys, thank you for watching.